This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Elisa Stevens. Absolutely stunning. Better than new spacious home in the beautiful Lagoon community of South Shore Bay. Great open concept floor plan. Beautiful flooring, neutral decor, gorgeous kitchen, fenced yard, solar panels, reverse osmosis water system, great curb appeal. Your family deserves to live this lifestyle. The Lagoon offers so much fun and organized events. You will feel the love as soon as you enter this truly sensational home. One-time capital contribution to the Lagoon of $2,150 and account setup fees of $300 due at closing. All dimensions approximate. All information contained herein deemed reliable be used subject to buyer verification. For more information, review the details below or contact Elisa Stevens at 561-929-2269 cell.